basically, right?
Yeah.
Have you noticed we've been improving every game? We started
Yeah.
with 9, 7, and the second.
Shit, people.
Where? Going towards the house.
Okay.
There's no people here.
Where the fuck is the chest?
I'm gonna get the
What the
bot.
hell? Why is the chest not here? It's always here.
Not always. Random.
There's nothing in this
Who's this
stupid
to?
house.
Oh, some bushes.
Did you move so I can pick this gun up? Thank you. Did you get that shield?
A little bit, yeah. I have a keg. You guys want to use it?
Oh, okay. I'm
Yeah, let me.
yeah,
Wait,
I'm
hold
good
on.
actually.
Let me come close
Save,
to you guys.
save.
I need it. No, I need it. Yeah, there's like a weird lag with the keg for me.
Yeah, same.
There's a chest here, Saif.
Hold on. Let's go. Thank you.
Yeah.
I started breaking this barn house and the bot started doing the same thing. Anything I attack, it deems it a threat.
Can I not go in here?
There's bullets there.
I need more guns though.
Oh,
Someone's close. Oh,
Just kill me.
they're right here. I see them in the house. There's
Oh,
two
there's a
teams
chest
of them.
here.
oh my God.
Oh my god, there's like 5 people here. What the hell? Oh my god, that was
What the fuck,
insane. What are they
bro?
doing?
Hold on, I need bullets.
That was wild.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, watch this. Wanna see something?
Hmm.
Watch.
Oh
I can
shit.
tell.
Oh fuck. Somebody's here?
Oh, someone's here. Someone's here.
Dude, this freaking bot's like
Yeah.
so
He's so good.
useful.
Oh,
It's
there's more. There's
crazy.
more. There's more.
There's more. There you go. Some other guns I can use.
I've only killed one person. Oh, there's more.
Where?
He's here.
Nice.
Let's go.
Oh, that was not what I wanted to do. I teleported.
Oh shit. Behind
Oh
us.
shit, more, one more.
He's up. He's up. He's up. Got him.
Nice.
That was the last guy.
Oh, I can use this.
How does this shockwave grenade work? Okay. Is that one of the tree thingies? Oh, there's one over here. The-
Damn.
Wow, you can move
Yeah.
around really fast with it.
The bot just teleports to Zyrus. That's crazy.
There's a gold chest here as well. Nice.
Seems like a setup.
What's the setup?
There's just a bunch of guns laying around here. It's like, with no open chest.
Okay.
What did you guys get?
Hollow Twister Assault Rifle.
Oh
Nice.
shit. Okay.
Ooh, what's this?
Excuse me.
What did you find, Saif?
Some kind of mask. Oh, fire mask.
Oh, nice. I like that a lot.
Do you want it?
No, it's fine. You can use it. You don't have to aim very well with it because it kind of locks on the
Nice.
fireball.
What's that red thing in the sky?
So it's just balloon. Who's behind us? Someone shot at us, right? Pretty sure.
Yeah, was that somebody?
No, it was me. That was me. That was me.
Oh, okay.
No, I shot at the balloon, not you guys.
The balloon. Oh, we haven't shown Sadboy the train yet. Have you seen the train before, Sadboy? We used it?
No.
On the train, there's a chest. You have to hack it. And there's like some special guns in there.
How do you hack it?
You just have to go onto it and press the button, but you have to wait till it like finishes hacking.
Oh, there's people.
Wait, where?
Oops, I shot them by mistake, but like it's over there.
Nice. They definitely won't know we're here now.
Yeah, I did that by mistake.
Knocked one.
Hacked another.
Where's the third? Oh, he's no, that's the sprite. Where's his friend? That's weird. Some of these.
Damn, their friend just ditched him. Oh shit. Okay, cool. Fuck is everybody?
Yeah, I'm wondering that too. I'm gonna go get some shield here.
Yeah, I must Kobe'd it. What the hell? What the hell?
Nice.
Sound
Wait, I
effects
can
is
ride on top
hilarious.
of the car. Okay, now you can drive.
What about the bot? Oh, they
He'll
teleport to
he'll
us.
teleports. Yeah. Let's go.
"24 people left."
Oh, I think that's why we haven't seen many people. Like
Oh,
they've
right
a
there,
lot
right
of
there.
them
To our left,
died.
to our left.
No, people are
Left?
getting booted. 26
Yeah.
people.
Oh,
Let me
I
get
see a
out.
car. I see a car. I see a car. Go left. There's people walking as well.
Oh fuck.
Eliminated, but there's a car. Watch out.
In the car, he's down.
Oh fuck, I'm down.
Let's go. Oh fuck.
Holy shit, what
He's
are
on
they
my ass.
on, dude?
Dude, the
I'm gonna-
katanas,
They got-
bro.
I'm gonna
Oh,
run.
Dude, they
down.
fucked us up with
The
katanas.
katanas
The
are
bot's
impossible
about
to
to
kill.
die. How is the bot not dying?
Bro, they fucked us up with katanas, man. Holy shit.
Yo. How many people do they have on their team? I dropped 2. Why is this
No, I just saw. No, I was like down because I got fucked
No,
up.
there was one. There was one person with who
Oh,
wasn't part of
running.
that team. Yeah.
No, I just saw Sadboy
Just
getting
running.
fucking destroyed by katanas, bro. They were going all like, you know.
For real.
Yeah, and I was
Sam-
trying to kill them as well, but they were too good.
Did that car just explode on you, bro? Oh shit, someone's shooting at you. Nice.
I got a crawler reward.
You're still getting shot at. Fuck.
Holy shit. Oh, thank God I had that thing. I need to get a vehicle to get to you guys. I can't risk
Teleport?
this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I definitely can't win this on my own.
Oh shit, you're getting
Versus
fucked up,
19
dude.
people?
Damn, bro. That was
Ooh.
Kobe'd that one.
Nice.
Oh, I need health. I need shield. I have time. I can get to you guys still. 180 seconds. I'm safe.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit.
Damn, they're patrolling.
Oh, I'm surrounded. Remember when we said, where is everybody? Now everyone's in one place.
Yeah.
Please let this have a shield. Of course not.
Mini shield.
Okay. Let me try. Let me try. Let me mark it on the map first. Maybe they left. Maybe they realized I quit.
Damn, I hear car. Oh shit.
Oh,
Shit.
It's right by me.
Oh shit.
Oh, damn.
Dude,
Ah,
fucking
shit.
run, dude, run! No! Oh my
No
god, bro,
way.
that is
No
crazy, dude.
fucking way.
Holy
What
shit.
the hell? Where the hell is your thingy?
On the right. to
Oh
the
my
right.
god.
Oh
No,
my
no,
god,
no, no,
run,
no, no,
run.
no, no.
Dude.
This takes so long to reset.
Yeah, it takes forever. It's like a ender pearl.
Okay.
Oh my
are you
fucking
kidding
days,
me?
dude.
Fuck.
Are
Oh,
you
there.
kidding me?
Oh my god, they're patrolling for real. No, they're
Oh no,
literally
dude,
patrolling.
Bro, they saw you.
They know,
Just
they
run.
see you, they see you. No way.
Just hide. So,
Bro,
get in the car. Get in the car.
run,
Get in the fucking
run,
car.
run.
Run, run. Oh my fucking days,
Holy
bro.
shit. At
That is
least you stole
crazy.
this shit.
Bro, that is insane. Oh,
Oh
fuck.
fuck. Okay.
Oh,
GG's. Unless.
Yo.
How am I still
Oh
alive?
my
What the
god,
hell?
bro. What is happening?
That is insane. Bro, this.
You went
Yeah,
home.
you gotta let us go. You gotta win this.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Oh
you gotta
shit,
let us
you're
go.
still getting
at my
shot
health.
at. You're still getting shot at.
You
Come
gotta.
on.
I mean, you got a health pack.
Dude, they were camping that shit. What the hell? I need health now and shield.
You have a kit.
Oh, I have a health. They know I'm here, dude. They must know. Oh, there's a keg.
Oh, keg.
There's a keg. There's a keg. There's a keg.
Hide.
Oh, I'm out of the mask too. I just realized.
Bro, that's insane, man.
How am I still alive? Sadboy has 37 seconds left on his reward card.
Oh,
Yeah, I got it
fuck.
wrong. I got it wrong.
I didn't even realize that.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, at least it's right here.
I'm out of stamina.
Oh shit.
There's people right above me.
Oh my fucking days.
I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make
Yo.
it. We finished sixth.
Damn.
Okay. Hey, we've
That
been
was
top 10 this whole time.
Wild.
Yeah.
Bro.
And I don't really play Fortnite, so that's kind of cool.
That was a
Yeah.
good one to end on, I think. That was wild.